Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope you all are doing very well. I am also very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know, I have challenged myself to wake up early at the morning and practice English at early morning. So, today, though I waked up early at the morning, but I did not get any chance to make videos and practice English. So now it's afternoon and I have got my free time. So I am practicing English and making videos for my channel. Okay. So in today's video, I will discuss about a topic that is how you can learn to describe your surrounding and how I have learned to describe my surrounding. Okay. So I believe that if you watch this video till the end, you will be able to learn how you can describe your surrounding in English. Okay. So let's jump to our main topic. You can describe your surrounding by following two steps. First step is you have to remove your hesitation. Okay. Whenever I feel boring, I come out and make videos and practice English. Okay. And I practice English by describing my surrounding. So, firstly, you have to remove your hesitation like me. And that is, you can make simple sentence about your surrounding. Suppose I am now beside our pond. Okay, you can see there is a pond and I am now beside our pond. So who of you are trying to be fluent in English? I think you know this simple sentence. I am now beside our pond. Okay, you know this sentence, but if you try to talk with a person about this, if you try to talk in front of camera, you will feel hesitate and you will stuck to deliver your speech. Okay, so this is why I am telling you, you have to remove your hesitation firstly and you have to try to make simple sentence about your surrounding. Okay, suppose there are many sugarcane plants. Like this kind of simple sentence you have to try to build. Okay, this is the first step. First step is you have to try to build simple sentence and you have to remove your hesitation. Now, the second step is sometimes whenever you come a place, then you may not get idea to describe your surrounding in English. It's a common problem. You may not get ideas to describe your surrounding. Then what you have to do? Then you have to click a picture of your surrounding and you have to upload it on chatgpt or Gemini. Okay, then you have to write a text as a prompt, that is please describe the scenery of the picture. Please describe the picture like this. Okay, when you will give the prompt, then chatgpt will give you some ideas and from that idea you can easily describe your surrounding in English. Not only ideas, but also you will get a lot of sentences, you will get necessary vocabulary words to describe your surrounding. Okay, so this is how I have learned to describe my surrounding, and I think if you follow these two steps, you will also be able to describe your surrounding. Okay, these two steps are very easy, and if you try, you can do it by 3 or 4 days. If you try, you can do it by 3 or 4 days. Just try and then you will get the proof of my talkings. Okay, so my dear brothers and sisters, that's all about my ideas, and if you have any problem to understand, then let me know in the comment box, and according to your comment I will try to show practically how you can do it in chatgpt or Gemini in another video. Okay, so thanks for watching today's video. No more today. I will see you in another video in another day. Thank you.